my legs, and I can walk. I got the tongue, y'all, and I can talk. Even the air that I receive, I got my lungs, and I can breathe. When I look around, I can see all the blessings He's given to me. Bless my family, and they're doing fine. Gave me peace of mind. Thank God for the blessing. Thank you, Lord, another blessing. Thank God, another blessing. Yeah. Thank you, Lord, one more day. Thank you, Lord, you made a way.
Raya. 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 One more time, Raya. Alligator. Get the alligator. Happy 4th of July, the first one that you will remember. Big ass. Roy. There you go, right there. Look at me, Bubba. Happy 4th of July. Cause this ain't Texas and we don't hold them. Only in Shelbyville, Tennessee.
Welcome to Shelbyville.
High on the hill.
I got this thing on my finger. They pricked my finger, and I'm trying to figure out why they did that. This crazy. I can't even write no checks with my finger all bandaged up. I'm trying to get it off of here and send it to my mama. Oh, I'm breaking my finger off. Whoops. 1 year checkup. I could have did this at home. She's not having it.